Today, we're taking a full tour of Galveston Island State Park. Welcome to Touring and Trails. So when you first check in the Galveston Island State Park, you want to make sure that you register and check in at the main entrance, which is the next turn in off the main highway. That's on the beach side. But since I booked late, I could only get a spot on the bay side, which is over here. And you can tell their entrance by the fancy looking banner that they have up here. So let's see what we're getting into. On the bay side, you've got two loops of campsites. The first loop is going to have tent camping only. You can see the nice bathroom that they have right behind us. That's really nice. They got tile and wood ceilings, and I haven't seen a bathroom in State Park quite like it. The second loop has 30 and 50 amp connections along with the water connections. Free cat with an RV site. Must not be too many alligators around here, or maybe you're just really new and they haven't got you yet.
Oh, that's mean.
Oh, that's mean, Jim.
Poor kitty.
Hey, little buddy. All right, so this is our view of the bay. So here's our setup, and we're unhitched, and we are fixing to go on into town. So once you're in the main entrance, the first place you're going to see is a day use area with a tremendous amount of parking. Look at this. So they're really trying to encourage people to get out and enjoy their beach. All the picnic areas with your tables and a cover. They got a couple of restrooms over here, really nice ones. They did a remarkable job rebuilding this place. So, you know, let's talk more beach. Let's go. Galveston Island State Park. Gotta love it. Cold water. Whoa. Look at this place. This is awesome. Edie. So if you're a local, I know you got a park pass, because $70 go in this year round. When I was in town, I had to pay parking and $6 to park in town. So even at that, you're gonna get your money back pretty quick. And this place is just pristine. You know, if you're not into the touristy stuff, you can come out here, hang out on this beach all day, swim, use the restrooms up there. You can grill out when there's not a burn ban. You can cook out anyways, bring propane. So pretty cool option. Definitely worth stopping by and enjoying for a night or two or more if you can do it. This is the main RV area on the beach side. They have 60 sites. They have several of them that are oversized sites, and I believe they all have 30 and 50 amp along with the water. So you're really close to the beach. You're within walking distance. And we got the nice picnic tables and covering, so not bad at all. Also have about 9 of these sites that you can use for RV or tent camping that have no, just verifying, no power or no water. So kind of boondocking-ish, but it's not a bad option if you're really not needing it. I mean, Bushwhacker could do this, so probably get a little bit of a break on the rates. This area is for tents only. So you got a parking spot that you pick, and you just walk, very short walk, to your site. They are reserved, or you have to reserve them, should I say. You get a picnic table, you get a little barbecue pit, And that's really it. Still a close walk to the beach. If you look way behind, there's some safari tents that you can rent back there. So that could be fun also.